Hey class, I just wanted to take a minute and show you guys how to get your notes set up and everything ready to go for class this year. So we're going to be utilizing the app for notes specifically called OneNote. And if you don't have that downloaded to your iPad, go into your manager and under your apps and find the purple OneNote app and download that first. So once you have it, then you'll need to open it up. The first time you open it, you will need to log in. So make sure you log in and get it synced with your Microsoft School account. Then once you're logged in, you can see that I already have a couple notebooks open, but on the very far left side here are my class notebooks. So you'll see I have one for Algebra 2, one for Trans Math. You won't have anything right away except for like your quick notes type thing. So I want you to make one specific for that class. So you click down at the bottom, the plus notebook, and I'm just gonna label this one example for now. So I'm gonna create that notebook. Once you've created that notebook, you have your sections and then your pages. Now, sections is like I like to keep, either you organize your sections by units or you have sections for notes and then a section for homework and then a section for other resources, however you want to do it. If you do sections by like units, you can say, okay, hold this down and then down here at the bottom click the pencil to rename, and you could say, okay, I want to do this one as unit 1 section, and then you can add pages in that section, and that's what we're going to be doing. That will all apply to unit 1. If you want a new section, you hit that plus section at the bottom and you can label that unit 2. However you want to organize that works for you. Okay, so once you have that set up, now in Schoology, I'm going to link PDF documents to your assignments. So I'm going to go into my example class. So under courses, I'm going to choose my practice class that I have here. And this is where you'll see a similar setup in our class. I'll have like assignments for you to do. If you open the assignment that I want you to have, you'll find that it has some attachments. And the notes will be a PDF attachment. So you click on the PDF attachment. Once it opens, go up to the top, the little arrow, and click that. And then find OneNote in your top. You'll see OneNote. You might have to scroll over. So click, I want to send it to OneNote. And then under location, make sure that you pick, the class that you want it to go into and then the folder that you want it to go into. So that was like my example class, unit 1. And then the title of this worksheet is AP Biology PDF. I got it from another teacher, so I'm a student in their practice class. So then send that. Then you can go back if you need to, if there's a video that you need to watch or whatever in the assignment, you can arrow back to that. If you go back to your OneNote, you'll see that now in Unit 1, it is going to import that PDF. Now, to see it in OneNote, you need to click on it. Oh, I do think you might need to be in Home, click on it, and then what you want to do is this printout option. If you hit printout, then it will print out a copy of that worksheet for you. Then you can zoom in, zoom out. You can edit it by drawing on it. If you run out of space on the worksheet, you can draw all the way over here like it's an infinite amount of space. So you can use some scratch work over here. Finish the worksheet, and then when you're ready to submit it, you go back up to the arrow. You click that. So now you're going to send it back to me to submit it for homework. Do make sure that you're in light mode on your iPad, not dark mode. Otherwise, I can't see the writing. Sometimes it gets messed up. So do the arrow, hit send a copy of page. And then I want to send with another app. I'm going to look for Schoology. because I want to send it back to Schoology. So at the top, I'm going to copy to Schoology. Then Schoology will automatically pull up your recent assignments that you have that you're able to submit to. So submit to an assignment. I have my practice class, you choose my class, and then it was called digital worksheet. You'd pick the correct assignment. You upload it there. And then you can see. Now on my end as a teacher, just like you can go back in, I'm gonna get your submission and I'm gonna be able to see it all. So remember how I wrote on the outside of the worksheet? Notice that that does upload for me. So if you do put any extra scratch work or if you put work on the outside of the worksheet, know that I will see that. And then I'll be able to grade it for you here, whereas you find your grade and such. So I can also, as a teacher, I can write on this submission for you and provide you feedback as well. So if that is necessary, I can do that with that. So hopefully that's helpful. And then when you have your next assignment, then you would upload it the same way into OneNote and it would make another new page. So maybe it would go right here. And then it automatically stores all of those note pages right here for you under that section. So it'd keep track of everything for you. So when you go to study for the unit test, you'll have everything in one place, which makes it really nice. Okay, if you have any other questions about that or get stuck, let me know.